friends, my name is Harshwarrdhan and today we will learn Halasana. And make sure you like and subscribe our channel. For doing a Halasana, at the first you sit in a L seat. Now lay down on your back and take your leg upwards. Interlock your fingers and now touch your toes to the ground. Hold there for a few seconds or minutes. While doing a halasana, you give a good stretch to your back and your neck. It is good for your mind as it keeps your mind calm. It helps in reducing stress and also reducing back pain. Now again take your legs upwards, touch your back to the ground and again sit in a L seat. This is how you do a halasana. If you are a beginner, you can just try this. Sit in a L seat. Now lay down on your back and keep your legs just a few or half meters away. Now take your leg upwards. This is for the beginners. Now you can also try by taking your just legs upwards and holding there for a second. Now go down and touch your toes. Now again come upwards. Do this for a few sets. This is for the beginners and it is easy too. Now I will again show you how to do a halasana. Take your leg upwards, interlock your fingers and now touch your toes to the ground. So this is how you do a perfect halasana. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.